Hey guys! Okay, so Angelina just placed an order for our online worldwide lash training, so let's pack her kit together. I think I accidentally got a smaller box than what I needed. I need to put this all in a bigger box after, but I just put the mannequin head in there and now I'm gonna get all the accessories. And I'm kind of just gonna put it all in, and then since I have to move this into a bigger box, I'm gonna reorganize it after. Okay, now that we have all our accessories and other little things in there, we need to get lash trays. Okay, so I got 2 standard classics and 1 flat classic. That way she can give both a try and see what she likes better. Now we need to get ProMades. Okay, we got the ProMades. I did 1 short stem, 1 flat stem, and 1 thin stem. That way she can try all 3 different types of ProMade stems, and that way she can see what she likes best. As you can see, the box size I chose was not big enough, so let's move that over to the other one. Okay, now we're gonna pack this in there, super cute. We love giving ProMades when a new person signs up for our online course, because the thing about our online course is we try to make it as if someone who doesn't even know what a lash extension is could understand the course. Like, we explain things in there that you wouldn't even think need to be explained, but we explain it because there's people that take online courses and they are going into this knowing nothing. They've never had their lashes done. And we just want to explain it so in depth. So like even tweezers, we have a little section where we explain what a tweezer is, what it's used for, why we use it. Like, it is very detailed so that any skill level can take this course and really feel like they're learning. So ProMades are great because they're so beginner friendly and they let you offer classic, hybrid, and volume without feeling overwhelmed, because making your own volume lashes can be really tough at first, especially if you're a beginner. So we like to offer ProMades so our students can offer classic, hybrid, and volume right off the bat without feeling the need to make their own fans or feel super stressed about not being able to offer other services because they can't make a fan. So yeah, that's why we include ProMades. Classic lashes are just a staple when you're a lash artist. It's what I started off learning, it's what Tamana started off learning, and I just personally feel like knowing how to apply classics will make you such a successful lash artist in the long run. So classics are a must in our kit. We have all our students practice on a mannequin head first for their practice. So you have a mannequin head and practice lashes. And then after they're done this and they submit it to us and we give them feedback, they move on to 3 live models to do a classic set, a hybrid set, and a volume set on. When I did my training, I was just thrown into a live model and that was it. I didn't practice on a mannequin head. I find that mannequin heads are so important just to learn the fundamentals. And like, you're just playing around with your tweezers and you're looking at your lashes and you're taking them out and you're putting them on your strip. Like, it's just so important to get the fundamentals down first before you start lashing on an actual human. So that's just the way we have our online course structured. Mannequin head first, then 3 live models, classic, hybrid, volume. And then of course, I'm just going through like all the accessories. Like, there's a lash shampoo, there's eye pads, there's a lash tile, there's your tweezers, there's cream remover, there's a fan. So all these little things I'm just packing in here that you need when you're a beginner, and it kind of just starts you off with everything you need to get started, so that when you purchase our online course, you're not like, oh my gosh, I need this, I need this, I need this. No, like, you have everything you need to start. And then of course we give a little thank you card in there. The kit is all packed up now. I'm just gonna put her packing slip in there. And as you can see, it's so nice and full and organized, and I'm so excited for her to open this up. Let's close this. And then I'm just gonna stick her shipping label on there and send it out.